back to my channel. I am really excited today to share with you my latest Fashionphile unboxing. This just came in the mail today, and I hope you enjoy this. If you do enjoy this video and this type of video, please give a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. So let's get started. As you can see, I did already open this up. I wanted to share this with some friends at work, so I did a little bit of preliminary opening. Here's the bag in the Fashionphile dust bag, which is made out of a nice canvas with the Fashionphile logos on it. I want to share something that I discovered a few months ago that I think is really kind of cute. If you take out the paper and you look at the bottom of the box, it says thank you from the bottom of this box. I've always thought that that was super cute, and I just thought I'd point that out. So here we have my latest edition, and I'll open this up for you to reveal a new Louis Vuitton, or at least a new to me, and it is a Speedy 30 bandolier version. Came out just really amazing condition. I really like this bag. The lighting is making the Vachetta look a little bit lighter than it actually is, but I'm gonna try to see if maybe I can show you the color. I think that gets it a little bit closer to what it looks like in real life, but as I said, the Vachetta is super nicely patinaed, very even. Whoever owned this bag previously really did take very good care of it and did an amazing job with getting the patina just right. The chaps are the newer puffy chaps. They're not the flat ones. And the stitching looks great. The side straps look great. There's my certificate of authenticity. And the zipper is just really nice as well. Opens up beautifully. This is the strap that came with the bag. Really pretty good condition. A little bit of sizing marks, as you can see, but really overall not too bad. There are a couple of marks, let me see if I can find them for you, on the strap, but well, there's one right there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. And another one right there, but they are on the underside, so it's not as big of a deal. Now, inside the bag, it is one of the older versions. So it has the non-zippered slip pocket. You can slip your hand in there pretty easily. And it did come with the original dust case and the little pouch with the key and the lock. It is a tiny bit tarnished, but really still in pretty good condition. We also have the dust bag, and it is obviously the older version with the dark brown Louis Vuitton branding. It's not the soft flannel that I like, but it is still a really good dust bag. And let's see if we can find the date code there underneath the pocket. Let's see if we can see it. From the initials, obviously, was made here in the US, 33rd week of 2015. So about 3 years old, not too bad. Actually, really good condition for a 3-year-old bag. There's the D-ring, and the vachetta is slightly patinaed, but really nice in general. And amazing shape, as I said. You've got all those really nice details that tell you it's an authentic Louis Vuitton bag. The symmetry and the fact that the canvas wraps around, so the LVs on the other side are upside down. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, you may recall that I purchased a Speedy 30 from Fashionphile. Here's a little bit of footage from that unboxing showing my Speedy 30. I really liked it, but even then I had a little bit of misgivings that I would have issues with the fact that it was just a top handle bag. I find that I really like having the option of throwing something over my shoulder. Even though I do wear my bags over the crook of my arm, I like to slip it, or I do the handheld. A lot of times I find myself with other stuff I have to carry, or just wanting the convenience of being able to be hands-free. So I decided to go ahead, sell the Speedy 30 back to Fashionphile. And if you've ever purchased from Fashionphile, you know that within 6 months they will purchase your bag back for 70% of the original price that you purchased it. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to have a What's in My Bag using this bag very soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.